Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to either enable or disable the touch mode in Microsoft Edge. So this setting basically allows you to increase the size and spacing of different elements in the browser, like buttons, tabs, and other options to optimize the use with touch screens. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Edge web browser and then go up and select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select settings. And now on the left side, you want to select appearance. And then on the right side, scroll down. Underneath touch mode, increase the size of browser elements such as buttons, tabs, and more, optimized for use with touch. So if you want to click on the drop down here, you can set it either on or off. So if you're using a laptop with a touch screen, you may already have it turned on by default. However, if you want to manually either turn it on or off, you can just select either one of those options here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.